And another issue I had, it was my stupid mistake. I should have fixed it in the first place. But when I put the old plugs in and old spark plugs, that video when I dropped first of it running was literally running on its last life. Literally. So after cranking and cranking, literally just fucking flooding the entire system, my language, I diluted the crap out of the oil. So what I did, got new plugs and installed my new coils back in, changed the oil. Don't forget, change the oil, because now you've cranked it, completely flooded it, and now you've diluted it. Change the oil. I changed the oil to shitty Walmart oil, because once everything's back together running, I'm gonna do like 500 kilometers and then change it with fresh liquid moly. But after that, she started up just a snap of a finger. Literally, not even a whole crank, half a crank, boom, she started. So simple things like that, because again, with these cars, I'm not too sure if you guys know, because I had an older Volkswagen too and an older Audi. When the coil pack or the plug would fall, I would never get a misfire code for some reason. I'm not too sure why. I wouldn't get a misfire code, but as soon as I changed the plugs and the coils, the car would run fine. It's a weird thing. I'm not too sure. Have you guys ever had that? If you have, drop it in the comment. I've never had that once in my life where the coil packs itself would fail, but it wouldn't fault. It was so weird. But as soon as I changed it, boom, started up. But I also have another issue right now. I have faults for the oil pressure sensor, electrical faults. I did order them new, so they are coming in soon. So once I swap them out, then we can run the engine a little bit longer and we'll get it all warmed up, bleed the system, find leaks, and go on from there.